everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're venturing into a captivating realm of architectural design of efficiency, the small industrial cabin house. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This unique style seamlessly blends the raw, utilitarian aesthetics of industrial design with the cozy, intimate spirit of a cabin, creating dwellings that are both strikingly modern and deeply rooted in a sense of place. If you're intrigued by homes that prioritize functionality, durability, and a distinctive, unpretentious character, then this episode is specifically curated for you. We're going to uncover the true essence of these remarkable structures, explore the myriad benefits they offer, and provide expert insights into how to design a small industrial cabin that is not only visually stunning, but also a true sanctuary. Let's begin by deciphering the intriguing concept of a small industrial cabin house. This architectural fusion represents a deliberate marriage of two distinct design philosophies: the raw, exposed elements of industrial aesthetics and the compact, nature-oriented comfort of a cabin. At its core, a cabin traditionally signifies a humble, often rustic dwelling, frequently found in natural or remote settings. It evokes a sense of escape, simplicity, and a strong connection to the outdoors, often characterized by natural materials like wood and stone. The industrial component introduces elements inspired by factories, warehouses, and urban lofts. This translates to the celebration of raw materials in their exposed form. Think steel, concrete, corrugated metal, and reclaimed wood. There's an emphasis on functionality, utilitarian fixtures, exposed structural elements like pipes and ductwork. Even if contained within walls, their essence remains, and a neutral, often monochromatic, color palette. When these two styles converge in a small industrial cabin house, the meaning shifts to a dwelling that offers the cozy, secluded feel of a cabin but with a modern, unadorned, and structurally honest aesthetic. It's about efficiency of space and materials, a robust build, and a sophisticated acknowledgement of its construction. These homes often feature compact footprints, making them ideal for smaller lots or off-grid living, yet their industrial elements give them a bold, impactful presence. It's a house that doesn't hide its bones. Instead, it showcases them as part of its unique charm, creating a functional, durable, and visually compelling retreat that feels both rugged and refined. It's a space that encourages a minimalist lifestyle while offering maximum character. The allure of choosing a small industrial cabin house goes beyond its distinctive appearance. It encompasses a range of practical, environmental, and lifestyle benefits that make it an increasingly attractive option for modern homeowners. Firstly, a significant advantage is cost-effectiveness and efficiency in construction. The inherent simplicity of industrial design often translates to streamlined building processes. Utilizing prefabricated steel components or standardized metal panels can significantly reduce construction time and labor costs compared to traditional methods. The smaller footprint of a small cabin naturally requires fewer materials, contributing to overall budget savings. Secondly, these homes boast exceptional durability and low maintenance. Industrial materials like steel, concrete, and metal siding are renowned for their resilience against harsh weather conditions, pests, and rot. This robustness means a small industrial cabin will stand the test of time with minimal upkeep, translating to lower long-term ownership costs and greater peace of mind. Thirdly, design versatility within a compact footprint is a key benefit. While small in overall size, the industrial aesthetic allows for clever spatial solutions. High ceilings, exposed structural elements, and a lack of fussy ornamentation can make even modest interiors feel surprisingly spacious and airy. Open-concept layouts are common, allowing for multifunctional zones that adapt to various needs, from living and dining to work and relaxation. Finally, a small industrial cabin house offers a distinctive aesthetic and a sense of individuality. It stands out from conventional housing, appealing to those who appreciate a stripped-back, authentic style. This unique character fosters a lifestyle that values functionality, durability, and a quiet confidence, making it a true reflection of the homeowner's personality. In essence, choosing a small industrial cabin house is opting for an affordable, resilient, highly customizable, and uniquely stylish home that embodies modern living with a rugged twist. Now, let's explore 10 inspiring ideas for small industrial cabin houses, each offering a distinct interpretation of this compelling architectural style. One. The monochromatic steel and timber box. Envision a compact, rectilinear cabin clad almost entirely in dark, matte black corrugated metal siding. A single, large section of the facade, perhaps around the entrance, or a prominent window, is clad in warm, clear-sealed cedar or reclaimed timber. This striking contrast of materials creates a powerful, minimalist statement, with the cabin's simple form highlighted by its material composition. 2. Elevated timber and metal retreat. This design features a small industrial cabin elevated on sleek steel stilts or a concrete plinth, perfect for slope sites or flood-prone areas. The main structure combines dark metal siding with significant timber cladding. The elevation offers enhanced views and creates a sheltered outdoor space beneath the cabin, perhaps for parking or a minimalist lounge area. 3. Industrial A-frame reimagined. A classic A-frame cabin form is given an industrial twist. While maintaining the iconic steeply pitched roof, the siding might be a mix of dark metal panels and exposed structural steel. Large, triangular windows flood the interior with light, and the overall feel is a blend of traditional cabin charm with a bold, contemporary edge. 4. Raw concrete and glass urban cabin. For a more urban or semi-urban setting, this small cabin might feature exposed concrete walls for a significant portion of its structure, softened by expansive, black-framed glass walls. The interior would boast polished concrete floors, and the minimalist garden would feature structural plants, creating a rugged yet sophisticated city retreat. 5. Shipping container conversion industrial cabin. A highly sustainable and cost-effective approach involves converting one or more shipping containers into a cabin. The exterior showcases the container's corrugated metal, perhaps painted in a bold industrial color or left with its original patinas. Cutouts for large windows and doors are expertly framed in steel, and a small, integrated wooden deck provides outdoor living space. 6. The shack, with refined industrial details. This concept embraces a more humble, almost utilitarian aesthetic, reminiscent of a simple shed or shack, but elevates it with high-quality industrial materials. Think corrugated metal walls, a single-slope, shed, roof, and a large, almost garage door-like opening that connects to the outdoors. Interior finishes would be raw but refined, such as exposed plywood walls and concrete floors. 7. The vertical industrial cabin tower, ideal for very small footprints. This design pushes vertically. A compact, multi-story structure built from steel and metal panels, perhaps with a small footprint but tall ceilings. Each level might offer a different function: living, sleeping, office, with a small, industrial-style balcony or roof deck providing outdoor access. 8. Black and timber and steel minimalist cabin. A truly striking design features a cabin almost entirely clad in shiplap or board and batten style black and timber, e.g., shows sugiban. This dark, textured surface is punctuated by sharp, clean lines of exposed steel or dark metal framing around expansive windows and doors, creating a dramatic and elegant industrial cabin. 9. Industrial cabin with integrated workshop/garage. For those needing functional space, this design seamlessly integrates a small, industrial-style workshop or single-car garage into the cabin's footprint. The facade would maintain a cohesive industrial look, with perhaps a large roll-up door to the workshop and smaller, cabin-like windows for the living quarters, providing a perfect blend of live-work space. 10. The glamping-inspired industrial pod. Smaller than a traditional cabin, this idea is for a truly compact, often prefabricated, industrial pod designed for luxurious camping or a minimalist retreat. It would feature sleek metal cladding, large round or square windows, and a small, fold-down deck, offering a high-tech, yet rugged, escape into nature. As we conclude our journey through the world of small industrial cabin houses, it's clear that these remarkable dwellings are more than just a trend. They represent a conscious choice for a lifestyle that values durability, efficiency, and a distinctive aesthetic. They offer a refreshing departure from the ordinary, proving that small can indeed be mighty, and that raw elements can be incredibly refined. By embracing the unpolished charm of industrial design while retaining the inherent warmth of a cabin, these homes offer a truly unique and inspiring vision for modern living. We sincerely hope this detailed exploration has ignited your imagination and provided you with valuable insights for your own unique home aspirations. Thank you for joining us today at Homes Inspiration Studios. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, may your spaces be as authentic and inspiring as you are. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern industrial cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.